Hi, it's Lava and Coffee Break Tango. At first I did this video in Russian. It looked like that it worked. So I've dared to try to do it in English, and here we go. This video is an attempt to create something about musicality in tango from the very beginning. I would not like to use such words as for beginners or tango for dummies. No, just from the very beginning. So, the main secret. To be able to dance with the music and stay connected with the music, one should know the music. Well, just to know it. There is no other way. If I remember some song, it means that I can sing it from the beginning till the end. It means that I remember what is inside that piece, what and where. In this case, I can play with all these solos of instruments, with all these small gems hidden inside, with pausas, syncopas, and so on. If not, well, I would not say that my dance is not connected to the music at all. No. But certainly the level of interaction with the music would be different in this case. And some things like pausas, etc., I can just miss if I don't really remember exactly where, which moment they are. Of course, there are some ideas and rules which are common for tango music. And using these ideas, like phrasing, repetitions, playing with the rhythm, I can be not that bad. And if I just pay attention to the mood of the music and how this mood is changing, indeed it's a huge step on the way of musicality. And some tangos are just pretty similar and alike, like many of D'Arienzo. It was a joke! I let myself to tell a story which I have heard from Sebastian Arce. Once upon a time, Maestro Arce had to perform with Mariana somewhere. So, Milonga, he is on the dance floor, he gives a sign to the DJ plays the music, and oh my god, it's not the music which Sebastian expected to hear, the fall of DJ. And Sebastian did not know that music, like it was new for him. Of course, for me it's also hard to believe that such situation is possible, but so we asked him how he managed it. I danced with the tempo, was the answer of Maestro. Well, indeed, it's important to know the music. It's very hard to talk about second lines of melody, variations, and other high mathematics of musicality if we just don't know the song. Once Oliver Cocker said, every night, all over the world, we dance the same 300 of tangos, waltzes, and milongas. Of course it was a joke. Indeed, what dancing every night all over the world, we can talk now, yeah? But there is a grain of truth in every joke, yeah? Coming back to the idea that one should know the music. I want to offer you my point of view, some selection, some playlist, which is made according to my own experience, based on dancing at the milongas all over the world. Maybe for someone it would be just a starting point of the long path. For someone a sort of magic kick pushing to go deeper. Someone can just enjoy the playlist. I will do my best to keep some regularity, jumping from one orchestra to another one. Really hope to have enough of courage and inspiration. The playlist which I have mentioned has nothing in common with tandas and all this DJ stuff. No. It's just my personal way of seeing things. My personal view. So, from the very beginning, I would like to skip the questions like, oh Slava, why you forgot this tango, why you did not take that one, and so on. Well, maybe honestly, just forgot. Uh, Maybe decided to postpone it for another episode. Maybe, yes, really made decision not to include this tango in order the playlist have some acceptable length. And then stopped to record and played this tango 10 times just for myself. I do believe that one don't have to know Spanish in order to dance tango. Well, it can be a nice bonus, but still it's not an obligation. There are two different poetries in tango. The poetry of lyrics and the poetry of music. And one should not know the words in order to understand it. But, always this but, no? The names of the famous orchestras and the singers must know, as well as the names of the essential tangos. And it's gonna be the topic of our meetings. So, to be continued, stay tuned. Ciao.